Welcome to the first CityConstruct Devlog. CityConstruct is a large-scale solo project that I'm working on to build up my skills and create something epic. The end goal of this project is to have a whole city building simulator with an economy system, power generation, land value, and building upgrades, evolving the city as you play. This project is heavily inspired by Cities Skylines, a great example of a city building sim. All of these fancy features are nice and all, but we have to start from the ground and work up to it. I'm starting with designing roads to actually use. This is an important step in the process as it decides the scale of the entire project. I'm using a Tilemap, a grid of tiles of the same size to place all the roads, so the decision on the size is crucial to get right. This could throw off the entire city. I started with tiles with a size of 9 by 9, without putting much thought into it on how the size would affect the rest of the project. I also designed some 11 by 11 road tiles. This was mainly for aesthetic reasons and not functionality. I didn't consider how important the tile size was until I experimented with how buildings would look in different ones. I also experimented with sub-tiles inside of each tile, but decided against it. I found the tile size I wanted. I went with 15 by 15, as this allows me freedom to add different road variations in one tile, works with building sizes, and overall will make the city feel more open and bigger. Now I need to actually place the tile. To do this, I will need to do 7 things. Pick an action to place a tile. In this case, it's right clicking with an item, nailed it, first try. Second, get the block the player is looking at. Third, find the nearest tile on the tile map to that block. Fourth, get the player rotation and convert it to a cardinal direction. Fifth, determine the tile rotation depending on the tile type and player cardinal direction. I can't speak as fast. 7, add the tile information to the tile map, just place it. This part is going to get a little in depth, so if you aren't interested, you can go ahead, skip to the next chapter. I ain't gonna bore you. But there is some cool music there. Yeah, you might stay? No? Alright, I'm gonna get into it. This generates the initial empty tile map that will be used for the city. It holds all the data it needs, a chunk, which is basically a coordinate system for the tiles. I hit my mic. Its type, whether it be roads or buildings, and its cardinal rotation. Later on, the cardinal rotation will be used to configure road bends and general road validation. I also have a function that clears the tile map. I don't even know why I'm saying this is purely for testing purposes, but you know what, it's here. This is a breakdown of a slightly bigger function that I have. It places the thing, okay? This section gets the block that the player is looking at, and then it finds the center of the tile that we're actually working with. Then we get the cardinal rotation of the player, so wherever the player is looking, that will affect where the tile is facing, and different tiles will have different setups like turns, crossroads, other things like that. All these shenanigans, hell yeah. I also adds it to the tile map. That's kind of useful, you know. This line right here actually places the thing, which is, you know, slightly important. This last piece of code here pulls it all together, allowing the player to actually interact with the script by using item use events. Eventually, the items will be replaced with custom items that represent each action. If you have any questions on how some of this stuff works, feel free to join my Discord, shoot me a message, link is in the description. This is my first devlog style video, so let me know how I can improve. Is there a better way to structure it or use different graphics? Should I try to shift the purpose of the videos from documenting to more entertainment? Let me know in the comments. I don't really know what I'm doing, but this video is sure to be my best to date. So I must be doing something right. If you want to be kept up to date on how the project is going, or just other uploads, consider subscribing to the channel and whacking those notifications on. If you want to see me develop this thing live, then hop on over to my Twitch. That'll also be in the description below. See you there. Peace out. This ends way quicker than it should have. Peace.